mail message. Who is it from? We'll just keep it the same thing. Reply to. The title, called keylog, and the body of the email, file attached. Let's make it look nicer. We'll just add it down here. Okay. Now the message attribute attachment actually will be a new attachment of the file location. Visual Basic really makes it easier to upload a file. He just used this here. No need for headers, boundaries, or anything else. We have the email message that, hold on, that attach mail ms. Okay, I misspelled it here. Mail message that attachments the add. We have the message att. Okay, we have this here. We adding the message. What's the next? Yeah, now we'll just try to send the message, which is the mail message box. Yeah, that's basically for testing. If you wanna make sure that the file was sent, this way you could know when to check the and then after we email it, we erase the file information. I mean, you don't want to have a large file after a while, so I mean, since we have it sent in the email, no need for the and try we enable the timer again. Okay, let's see which problems that we have here. Okay, mail message, alternate views. What am I doing? That attachment, that add, and then we have this problem. Where is it? Message box. Yeah, always have this mistake. Now it's done. Let's run it. Let me show you first my public folder, no files. This is my registry, empty. Let's run the program. See how it goes. Program starting. Let's type something. This is a file sent. Oh, my mistake. One thing we forgot to do is the timing. For example, when do you want to keystroke to be added? Let's just put every even one, no big deal. When do you want it to write to the file? Every 10 seconds? I mean, let's just do it. It's in milliseconds, so let's just do it every 5,000 milliseconds, and we'll email after 10,000 milliseconds. Well, I mean, we already ran it, so if you go to the let me make sure on my current user, yeah, store the KL file. Okay, let's run it again. This time we'll type this. Okay, this is a keylogger using Visual Basic Studio. File sent. Now let's end the program. This is the file that was actually sent. So let's try to open it. Let's just use Notepad. Okay, empty. Don't know why, but shouldn't have been empty. Even the registry is empty. I mean, it's emailing correctly, so let's see why it's causing this problem. Let's go back to the code. Okay, let's I just noticed we don't actually have a problem. The file was empty because it emailed it. It's free to download this file. This is the one that was actually emailed, and we try to open it. This will contain the information. Oh, still doesn't contain the information. Let me see why. Okay, going back to the one mistake we made. It was actually passing by value, not by reference. This is why it wasn't recorded. And I also changed the file name to kl.txt. This makes it easier for us to open. So those are the only changes I made. Let's run the program now. Let's type something. I love programming in Visual Studio. Could go here, type test 1 2 3. It's file sent. Let's stop the program. Download the file that was actually sent, or actually view. See, this is the file information. You also want to make sure that nothing I changed. The timer one, you make sure it's 100 milliseconds. 1 millisecond is too fast, I guess, so 100 milliseconds is nice enough. So this is basically it. You have all the information here. I'll be posting the yeah, let me show you the registry. It should be here. You just have to refresh. This is the key that we created for the registry, and this is where the file is actually stored. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, just post them online and I'll try my best to answer them.